Yo, what's up, learning machines? Welcome back to another video. So, if you have a Max Bounty account, you know that there is endless money that you can make just with the one platform, Max Bounty. Same with ClickBank, same with Crack Revenue, and all the other networks out there. Now, Max Bounty is my bread and butter. It's one of the first platforms where I started making insane money on passively per day due to this one traffic source I'm going to share with you that's very powerful, which is YouTube. I'm going to tell you right now, YouTube is the best of all the best. So it's just 6 days into the month so far, and that is literally $22,000. Yesterday was $3,700. And sometimes I'll make $5,000 in a day just for Max Bounty. Sometimes I'll make $10,000 in a day for Max Bounty. Sometimes $10,000, and that's if you promote to your email list and do a big launch of like a specific offer to your entire audience base that you have. That's just my experience. And to actually crush it, you need to have a big, traffic source you're getting traffic from. Paid advertising is very volatile and there's a lot of testing involved you have to do. And content marketing and YouTube especially, YouTube, the content never gets lost really, and the content gets just promoted forever. And so the more videos you have, the more views you get per day, the more people see the offers per day, new people enter into your channel per day. And that's how this is made, guys. This is how this type of money is made. And you have to cover very big, broad topics, but you don't really have to. You could just have a basic YouTube channel in general and promote offers like this offer, this offer, this offer, this offer, just all these offers. I've made a lot of money just from these offers right here you're looking at right here. So I promote sweepstakes, I promote survey offers, I promote just free stuff offers and gift cards and all those type of verticals. And sometimes I do some adult marketing with the channel as well. If I put the affiliate links for adult offers through a bigger bridge page and a bigger funnel. Okay, so people click the link to bridge page, so the affiliate links are kind of hidden, and then they could basically click through to all these different adult offers. I make money on Crack Revenue, also kind of doing that here and there, but I try not to overdo it because I would hate to get in trouble promoting adult offers through YouTube. But I promote even cost per sale offers with Max Bounty. Okay. Usually the top ones, if you go over here to browse or search, you can literally see, if you sort by earnings per click, EPC, you can see the top offers. Okay. And those are the top offers making money. And so do it. Okay. So here is YouTube. And as you know, YouTube is the biggest platform in the entire world. Google search is obviously the number one, but YouTube is number two across the board, number one in just entertainment. And so when you have a platform like this, there's money where attention is, guys. There just is. And so 34 billion monthly, visitors, that's huge. Obviously, every day people come back to YouTube. So it's crazy. There's just endless, and people on average, look at this. This has the highest on average data for how much people spend on a site. And so guess what it is? Guess what it is? Where is it? Okay, 21 minutes on average people spend on YouTube. Most people spend their whole day on YouTube. Okay, so it's crazy. The freaking videos are insane. So when you look at this, you're like, okay, I'm looking at videos, but are you really? Like, these videos that get recommended with an account that isn't even like, account. I'm signed out of all my accounts here to show you guys for this video. And these are just a bunch of videos that get good metrics. So high click-through rate, high watch time, and a big, broad appeal topic. Now, when I make videos for this specific method I want to talk to you guys about, I cover trending topics. And how you do that is you can go to a platform called Trending. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Okay, Trending. But you want to find trending topics, guys. That's how you really crush it. And it's funny because this has been here forever. They say World Cup, football, Taylor Swift, Kim Kardashian. Is there one that says cupcake somewhere? Okay, Fortnite. Yep, there's the cupcake one. So it's kind of funny. It's always been there. Now, anyway, you can go over here to this thing over here, which is the trending searches per day. These are the daily search trends. You can look at real time. But I wanted to kind of explain this. So I went through a phase in my life where for several months I was making content for the daily search trends, okay? And I would study, the patterns. So I would look at the ones that happened the day before, the week before, and all this stuff to notice the patterns of what's actually taking off. So if you look right here, if you were to make a video on Powerball, which I did recently, which I don't want you to go find my channel, which you probably won't find, hopefully, but Powerball I know is a big topic right now, and so I made quite a few videos about Powerball, and that gets a lot of AdSense revenue, but more importantly, it gets a continuous passive income essentially built for me that is a bunch of affiliate conversions and just more subscribers, more audience, people come back to watch more videos. So you really want to cover big topics. So what are really big topics? You have to, and I realized this later after spending many months grinding, making videos on topics that only last a day. You want to think of the trends that happen that last for several months, if not a long time. And so what are those? Really think about it. And what are things that can trend and then go down, then trend and go down, trend and go down? I'll tell you what it is. People, that's a big one. Okay, people, sports, and events. Events happen again and again. Holidays happen again and again. But people is a big one, and celebrities are a very big one. Um, and I'm sure you could think of worldwide events like one called COVID and one called Black Lives Matter. And what's another one? What's it called? Stimulus checks. Okay, stimulus checks. Now, another cool thing here to look at is when you have no account signed in, you can see what YouTube kind of recommends to you. This is one of my biggest tools, kind of one of the biggest tools. There's another one I use called vidIQ, and then there's a little one called YouTube Search right here. So I'll show you how to do it all. Cameras, music, blah, 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 podcasts. You just want to look for things that really scream it's a trend type thing. Motivation videos are powerful. Stocks for sure. So stocks, man, I could talk about this forever, and cryptocurrency and stuff like that. So freaking powerful. Because stocks trend also up and down with people's attention, especially even the big stocks and some new stocks. Definitely cryptocurrencies as well, okay? And different music artists and different podcasters and conversationalists, different movies, okay? So that's something very powerful to mention is, so there are movies that you know are going to come out, and you can start making content talking about these movies and just what works. You could talk about, things that could happen, things that people don't expect that might happen. You can make accusations about what will happen in the video, in the movie, and you can make a bunch of content about these big movies that come out that are expected. And you can know this by looking at big channels and big blogs who talk about, the new movies that are coming out soon. Okay, now this is one of my favorite things. So YouTube knows what people are searching for and where all the audience attention is. And so when you go down the whole alphabet here, you're able to know. So ASMR videos, powerful ABC videos, just everything here. Ariana Grande is a person. And you'll see a lot of people pop up, famous people. Queen is a famous person. Just all this stuff, okay? And so I'm going to go quickly through here. And you can do this yourself, okay? These are all the big keywords that show up when you freaking just type, like Fortnite, huge niche. When I type H, helicopter, so fun. Okay, for X, those are all those ones. BitBoy Crypto. Just a bunch of people on average show up. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. That's what I make content about a lot. Okay, so you go through this, and you can go just throughout your keyboard from Q down that whole row, and then from A down to L, and then from Z to M, and you just go through it, and you start taking notes of the ones that stand out to you that you can make content on, especially what interests you, okay, you can make content on. Now, I'm at the point where I don't really care if it interests me or not. I'm going to make the videos about what the audience is most interested in, okay, and that's a very important thing to think about. Very important. Now, let's just refresh the page. We can see more freaking content here. Now, there's just more content there. When you look at these videos, guys, just know this is the secrets of the algorithm of everything about it, because this is an account that has no data on it, really. Okay, look at it. And no one signed it. And it just has a bunch of videos that get good metrics, get high watch time, get high click-through rate, and they have a lot of broad appeal. All these videos. And I'm sure in some way that this even though I'm not signed in, it probably knows I like entrepreneurship and business and money, online stuff, okay? And entrepreneurs, quotes, all that stuff. And so it is suggesting stuff relevant to that. You can test this and see for yourself what will pop up for yourself. Now, another thing is trending in the Explore page for YouTube itself. This can be very interesting to look at. Now, people think YouTube trending is just the trending videos that are just trending. They are in some ways, but what it really ultimately is, it's videos that really just stand out by people who usually don't watch content from the creator. A bunch of random people with a bunch of different interests they all have are entering into these videos. That's what these videos ultimately are, or they get a lot of shares. Usually it's a lot of shares. They're not handpicked necessarily. Sometimes they are. If they just stand out by being good content, but also, and you're going to see like a lot of these videos, they are music videos. Okay. But anyway, or they are actual trends because a lot of times they are actual trends, like a certain movie or a certain game comes out, or sometimes they're skits, sometimes it's YouTube shorts. It's just a whole entire broad range of a bunch of videos that just kind of get featured for a little while. That's what it is. So anyway, if you really want to find the videos that will crush it for you, just know that YouTube knows the biggest audiences, and that's what it is right here. Okay, you're able to see. And then when you have a tool called vidIQ or TubeBuddy, you're able to see and connect your whole channel, and it'll give you keyword ideas and video ideas for your channel, and it's freaking amazing. Okay, so I highly recommend vidIQ. Get that. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I wish I was, but anyway, this is hopefully a powerful video for you guys to watch. Thank you for watching this video. Check out more videos on the channel. Learn more. Get more value from me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Share this video, and you know the drill. Peace out, learning machines. Peace.